If you're having transmission problems, it's important to address them quickly to avoid further damage and expensive repairs. At Clay's Automotive Service Center in Folsom, Pennsylvania, our skilled mechanics specialize in transmission repair and maintenance. Whether you need a fluid change or a complete transmission overhaul, our team has the knowledge and tools to get your vehicle running smoothly again. Contact us today to schedule an appointment for a thorough inspection and diagnosis of your transmission issues. Are you looking for a transmission repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Clay's Automotive Service Center. How do I know if my transmission needs repair? At Clay's Automotive Service Center, signs of transmission issues include slipping gears, delayed shifting, fluid leaks, unusual noises, or poor performance. Visit our shop for expert diagnostics, inspection, and maintenance today. What's the best way to prevent transmission problems? Regular maintenance, fluid checks, and inspection of your gearbox, clutch, and drivetrain prevent issues. Our technicians ensure top performance with expert service and adjustments. What is the service area for your Folsom, Pennsylvania location? Our transmission repair has serviced customers in the surrounding areas of Folsom, Alden, Holmes, Springfield, Sharon Hill, Darby, Fulcroft, Swarthmore, Ridley Park, Rutledge, Clifton Heights, East Lansdowne, Prospect Park, Lima, Glen Olden, Lansdowne, Media, Aston, Chester, and Delaware County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Folsom, Pennsylvania transmission repair shop located? We are located at 1000 McDade Boulevard, Folsom, Pennsylvania 19033. Our phone number is 610-534-7044. Visit our website, claysauto.com.